Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing my review on Luxura Science's Shea Butter review. I have bought this product from Amazon. I have also given the buying link in the description box. This product costs around 400 rupees for 200 gram product. This shea butter is African shea butter. It is raw and unrefined. This one is 100% organic raw shea butter. They have also given the directions of usage on the container. This shea butter is only for topical use. You should store this jar with tightened lid in dog's place with room temperature. I am buying this shea butter for the second time from Amazon. This time I received the damaged product. The cap is damaged, but the first time I received a good one. As you can see, it comes in a plastic container with a black color screw cap. This product is really thick. It is in light ivory color. It does not contain any artificial fragrance, so the smell is little unpleasant. Take a small amount into your hands and rub it until melted and apply it to your skin. It melts easily, but it takes some time to blend into your skin as it is in thick consistency. Shea butter contains vitamin A, E and antioxidants. It is really good for skin. It contains high moisturizing properties. Shea butter is really beneficial for dry skin people. It hydrates skin and provides great moisturization. This shea butter is really good, pure and organic. You can use this shea butter for skin, hair and also in DIY recipes. Shea butter also helps in treating stretch marks. Overall, the quality of this shea butter is really nice. I have also shared some DIY home remedies with shea butter in my channel. You guys can check that. It is very beneficial for dry and damaged hair. It repairs split ends and strengthens the hair. So guys, this is my take on Luxura Science's Shea Butter. Hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please do like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe.